Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel. I know I am 100% fresh-faced and you can still see my cornrows because I'm working from home this week. And at first I was going to stop, run downstairs, put some concealer on. But then I realized I need to do more bare-faced looks because my skin is great and it should be highlighted. But I didn't really want to wait because Fairyloot was here, and on Twitter, we were told that the Gilded Ones is in this box. So I was like, I could go downstairs, put on a face of makeup just to record these two unboxing videos, or I could just, look good, look better in the next ones. We'll put it like that. So I'm so excited, y'all. I stopped work and everything because I was like, I have to record this. So hopefully no one bugs me. Okay, so first is this. It says, "Hi there. You might have noticed that your book is not in a black drawstring bag this month and that your box does not have the collectible tarot cards. Both items were significantly delayed in customs. And since we have no power to speed it up, we thought it best that the fairies deliver the rest of your box in time rather than wait even longer. But don't worry, we will be sending the missing tarot cards in the July box. And if you are not receiving the July box, we will send them to you separately. We will get these cards to you one way or another." Okay, that's nice. Also, this card is really, really cute. There we go. The card is really, really cute. So, this is the spoiler card. The theme is a different kind of magic, but I'm going to sit that down because... Okay, look, computer, you're going to have to let me do this real quick. Then we can go back to you. So the first thing is this, and it says, "It's always time for tea." Oh, it's Alice in Wonderland. Loose leaf tea infuser. Yeah, I read the box. Sorry. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my god. That is stinking cute. You guys still can't see it because my camera won't focus. Holy mess. That is cute. Oh my god. This is probably one of the cutest things that we've gotten in a Fairyloot that I've had so far. This is going right into my little tea kitchen. It's going right in there. The next thing that we have is this, and it says Elemental Coaster Set. Now, I've gotten a couple coaster sets that I've just been putting them in various parts of my house. Let's see what these look like. They're Avatar The Last Airbender. Oh my gosh. These are going in my game room. Oh my god, I don't know why I didn't think of that. Holy mess. Yo, this box is going strong. This is a super strong box. And we are only 2 items in. I'm lit. Okay. Next thing. So it came in this, and... Oh, it's the enamel pin. Oh, okay, so they're switching packaging. Ooh, I do like that. So it says... "Love is an excellent motivator to kill. The shadow between us inspired enamel pin." Ooh, okay. But that's cute. It's almost like a coat of arms. That's cute. I can see the book. Okay. We have something else in packaging that I am into. The Starless Sea. An iron-on patch from Dustin Pages. I have a couple iron-on patches, and I'm at the point where I feel like I need to buy a jacket for all of my book patches. So, yeah. I mean, I'm okay with the book patches. I just don't use them, so they've just been collecting dust. But, oh my god. It's paperback. But at the same time, it's a gorgeous paperback. Look at this. So, Quarantine Pages actually interviewed Namina. That I'll try to leave a link down below. And Jerry interviewed Namina, so I need to see if Jerry has it uploaded already. Wait, was it not? No, I'm sorry. It was Noria that interviewed her, but I don't. Anyways. Like, look. This is one of the prettiest paper. If paperbacks came this lit, I would only own paperbacks. Like, this is a book that I pre-ordered. And I was like, dang, I'm not going to be able to get it. Now, I don't even want the other one because this one is so gorgeous. Like, so anyway, it says, are we girls or are we demons? Are we going to die or are we going to survive? A young heroine fights to save a world that would dare tame her and discovers she is her own fiercest weapon. See, I'm not going to read this because it always says fans of Children of Blood and Bone and Black Panther are going to adore this. Like, FYI, everybody who uses CBB and Black Panther, we have other Black things that you can compare to. Yes, they were successful, but like, this is its own thing. And I'm very tired of seeing every Black fantasy being compared to CBB when they're not even in the same category. I just needed to rant about that real quick because I'm tired. Anyways, the next thing is socks. So we have the Bone Season socks. I've never read or heard anything about Bone Season, but this was giving me mad Superman vibes when I first saw it. But okay, Bone Season. I do like the bookish socks. I wear socks all the time. And I like that I get a variety of sizes with them. This is going to sound terrible, but it's a print and it is a blonde hair. I guess he has like copper eyes and then a brown hair girl who looks like she has an attitude, which sounds like a lot of books. But I don't know what the book is. Ooh, I think this was another one that was on my TBR. So this is Force of Souls by Lori M. Lee. My battery is dying. Hold on. So like I was saying, the book is Force of Souls by Lori M. Lee. And it has a dust jacket, just like I thought it would. Okay, so this is what the actual book looks like. And then, I haven't seen it yet. Ooh. I love chicks in armor. That is a vibe. Ooh. And they're cute. They're definitely Asian. Love it. Okay, wait. So if they're Asian, then who are these people? We got to figure that out. I thought it was something to do with the book, but that's not it. Not based on the characters I see in this book. Okay, so Lori is, I'm going to assume Asian. I don't ever want to make that assumption. Let's see. It says, I have no family, no home, no talent other than fighting. If I'm not to be the shadow, then I'm nothing. I'm tired of being nothing. After years of training to become the queen's next royal spy, Suresha Ashwin plans on derailing... Oh my God. Hold on. New Mac problems, guys. Try that again. It says, unveiled as the first soul guide in living memory, Sursha is summoned to the domain of the Spider King. For centuries, he has used his influence over the dead wood, an ancient forest possessed by souls, to enforce peace between the kingdoms. Now, when the trees growing wild and untamed, only a soul guide can restrain them. As war looms, Sursha must master her newly awakened abilities before the trees shatter the brittle peace, or even worse, claim Saingo, the friend she would die for. Okay. So we got 2 books, and 2 books I am very interested in reading, and 2 very vastly different books. So obviously I'm viewing this one a little bit darker as the thing is suggest, but like I can't get over the beauty of this cover. I mean, this cover is actually really dope too, don't get me wrong, but I am a sucker for some foil. So let's see. Oh, the bookmark, which is fine. Oh, okay. That makes sense because this one doesn't have anything on the back, and then this one has the letter to the author. Now, this one looks dope. She looks fantastic. Whoever did the art for this one, I need their names. So let's see what... Hold on. Okay, sorry guys. That was pest control. They're gonna like do my weep holes and all that stuff today, even though it's raining. So yeah. What was I saying? The book, or the spoiler card. That's what we were on, the spoiler card. It says, the socks are from The Bone Season by Samantha Shannon. The coasters are from Nover and Tail. Nover and Tail. The Starless Sea by Erin Morgenstern. A book that blew us away with its unique magic. Okay, that's from Dustin Page's The Sea Patch. The Shadow Pen is from Jez Hawk, J-E-Z Hawk. The Shadows Between Us by Trisha Levenseller. Oh, apparently that was the book from February. Cool. Obviously, the Wonderland tea strainer is my favorite. They're kind of a both, because like all I need now is a bookish cup. That's not HP. And then I could have a tea strainer in my tea with my coaster. Oh, that's going to be dope. Okay. Okay, so this print is inspired by Blood Air by Emily Zhao. Interesting. So I'm happy with the two books. To me, this was a fantastic box. I don't really care about the tarot cards. The print, I honestly forgot about just that quick. The enamel pin is gorgeous. I love the coasters. And then I love the teapot. So my question to you guys is, what was your favorite thing of the box? Are you getting a box? And to answer this, yes. I'm keeping that paperback version. Normally I give paperbacks away. I'm keeping that version. I might still order it because I want her book birthday to be a good day in terms of sales. Like, want to make sure that her book gets the love it deserves. And then maybe I'll just buy it and give it to one of my friends as a gift. Maybe I'll do that. Because I do buy some books in multiple, but I don't think I want to do that one because the cover is fairly the same. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And to the next video, which is another unboxing. Just going to let you guys know that now. Bye!